Let's see one more method of string class. Okay. So we will be seeing now is contains method, which will be taking the character sequence as a parameter, and this will return boolean. This will return the boolean. This will return the boolean, and it is a non-static method. Okay. So contains method is a part of Java string class, and it will take the character sequence as a parameter. So contains method is used to check the sequence of characters, whether it is exist in a given string or not. Okay. If it is having the sequence of characters, so it will return true. It will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Okay. So let's see an example. Let's see an example. So let's say hello world example. Okay. Let's say we have a string str, and the string is having, this is the content of string hello world. Okay. What I'm doing is I'll be checking for the world. Okay. Whether the world is exist in my string or not. Okay. So as string is a, as this contains method is a non-static method, you should be called with respect to object name. See str dot contains of, str dot contains of, you'll be passing the character sequence, or you can pass the string as well. So you can pass character sequence, you can pass the string, you can pass the string buffer, anything you can pass it. Okay. So what it will do first, it will call this method, and it will check whether the given string is having the world or not, world character sequence or not. So if it is having, it is returning true. So in our case, it is having, right? It is having, so it will be returning true. It will be returning true. Okay. So let's see a quick uh, example. Let's write this. Let's code this one exactly. Let's code this one. Okay, let's see. Let's go. Okay, let's say, and this is contains checking char sequence. Okay, VNC checking char sequence client application, and this is a main. Okay, and we have a string str equals to hello world. Okay, now what I'll do is I want to check the character sequence whether it is available in a string or not. I'll say str dot contains of, I'll provide the character sequence. So now here I'll be saying this world over here. So this will, I'll write a condition. If it is true, if it is true, if it is true, I'll say uh, the sequence of chars exist in a given string. Otherwise, copy the same. In else part, we will say this, the sequence of characters is not existing. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's run this one. Run as checking char sequence client application. So it will return a response to you. See, the sequence of chars exists in a given string. Correct? Fine. That's all. Let's go for the next method.